Welcome back, beautiful people, to my YouTube channel. Have you been wondering how they make a wet look top or a resin top? Say no more. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a wet look, glass look resin top for free. Make sure you watch to the end. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, beautiful people. I'll be doing a resin top using my mannequin. So I'll be using resin and adna. So this is the resin and adna I got, is the lowest quantity. So, and I'll be using this beautiful shining fabric for it, and also some beading for some design. And I'll be using this wrapping paper to wrap the mannequin. Just watch as I'm doing it. Also, I went ahead to get some gloves because you have to safety first. So I'll be putting on my gloves. I went ahead to just wear a bra on the mannequin, so to give my mannequin the structure of the cup on it, because of the design I'll be doing for. So now, my wrapping paper, I'll just go ahead to wrap my mannequin because the neck is resin. This is a DIY mannequin I made, and the video of this mannequin tutorial is on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it out. So please ensure you wrap any part you don't want the resin to touch, because resin can be very messy when it gets hard. It sticks to anything, it makes anything hard. So any drop of it on your mannequin, that place will become very hard, except you are using a plastic mannequin. So please get a nylon or a platform where you're going to do your project. Don't just do your project on your floor directly. I did it directly on my rug, and it actually made some permanent stain on my rug. So I don't advise you just put it on your floor like that if you don't want your floor to get stained. So get a nylon or something you can lay on the floor before starting your project. So now that I'm done wrapping it, I'm going to put my mannequin down so that I can make the design on it. Just watch as I'm doing it. So now I went ahead to I've worn my gloves, so safety first. I went ahead to get just the plastic and phone. So this is my resin and this is my adna. So I'll be pouring the two inside. This is 2:1, 250 grams of resin and 125 grams of adna. So you might actually need more depending on the project you are doing, but this is enough for my project, so I'll be using these measurements. So I'm just going to mix these two quantities together inside the plastic. So I poured in my resin first into the plate, then followed by my adna. So this is the fabric I'm using. So I'll just go ahead to dip one part inside. So I'll just soak it inside like this. And I'll place it on my mannequin. Then I'll start forming the shape of the design I want. I think I'll just do something like this. I'll add more to it for it to cure properly. Then I'll just go ahead to use a scissors to cut it. So I'll just put more of the resin on it. So I also have some office pin. I'll be using it to pin it down. This is me just trying to form a rose at this part. So this is actually what I made. So to add some spice to it, I'll just go ahead. I have some beads. I'll just pour some crystal beads. I'll take some more crystal beads and just pour it to this area here.
After 4 days.
The resin top start to cure properly after 24 hours, but I got back to my own after 4 days because I was busy. It actually dried at the first day it was still wet and sticky. Then before 24 hours it was already getting hard bit by bit. It gets harder 2 days, 3 days. This is the 4th day, so it has cured properly. So I just go ahead to cut days that I used to wrap it. Wow. Cutting it is actually very satisfying. You can see how it is. Then voila, it came out pretty. Like, this is beautiful. I just love, like, the way it came out is so satisfying. See the inside. This is so satisfying to feel actually. The outside, like, angels are singing. Angels are singing. When you see up here. This really came out beautiful, like. I actually love the outscope. So hard. So I'll just go ahead to use the scissors to trim out this on it. Oh, I can feel this. See how satisfying it is to peel. Come on. Oh, ta-da! See how beautiful this is. See how it's formed. I'll just go ahead to make holes here. I'll make holes here. Same thing, holes here. Then holes here. I'll just make tiny hole where I can put my rope. I'll put it at this side also, and around here and around here. Ouch, it's hot. So after making those details, I went ahead to use this eyelet. Then I used my plier to create holes on it. Because I just used where I notched, I used it to create holes, eyelets on it. You can see the eyelets. I just used this plier and this thing to fold it flat. You understand what I'm trying to say. I just went ahead to use an eyelet plier to make eyelets on the resin top, so you can just get this to do your project. Then I made the rope using a bias tape. You can use ribbon, you can use the same fabric as your top, so I just used the bias, a 3-yard bias for it. Following this tutorial, you won't have any issue making your resin top or wet look tops or project. The top really looked beautiful and pretty on me. I really loved it. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. This will go a long way in helping my channel to grow. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.